Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to refer a friend on Fiverr so that you guys can earn. The first thing you have to do is to log into your page. And then once you've logged in, you would see, click on your profile picture. You would see switch to buying profile, refer a friend settings. Click on the option refer a friend and you'll be taken to the referral program. And then it says earn up to $500 in credit and up to $100 from each referral. So you can refer via email, or you can send your personal link to any of these social media platforms: WhatsApp, LinkedIn, X, or Facebook. And how does it work? Firstly, you refer them through the email, and then with your own personal referral or with your referral link, and then spread the word. Then once they join through that particular link, they get a discount. They'll get 10% discount on their first order, and then once they complete the order, you get 10% of their purchase in Fiverr credit to use on your next order. So guys, this is how to actually join the referral program on Fiverr. So if you want to know more, you can only just go to this website, fiverr.com/referral program, and you'd see and learn more or about it. So guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and please subscribe for more informational content like this. Thank you guys.